It's been a while since I did one of these vlogs. So, yeah. It's raining right now, actually. Drizzle. Dogs are barking at me. They don't like me here. So, I'm just gonna start running. So, it's quite cold right now. And my hands are freezing, but I only have one way to hold the camera on my phone. So, yeah. I think I should probably get my hood on. So, it's just barely drizzling though. So, yeah, it's been a while since I did one of these vlogs. So, I'm just walking home right now. So, school life is good for me right now. Straight A's. It's not raining that bad. And, yeah, I'm a smart kid, okay? I'm very smart, actually. So, yeah. Wow, my hands are freezing. Yeah. Oh, water landed in my eye. Wow. Okay. Okay. It's fine now. Okay, so, yeah, my mom's gonna pick me up soon. So I'm gonna have to leave it here. So, yeah, bye guys. I guess I'm gonna call this vlog, It's Raining.